How to add Robux to Roblox account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Robux to your Roblox account. So first, I'm going to show you how you can redeem our Roblox gift card if you have one. Then I'll show you how to buy Robux, which is another way to add it to your account. So if you have a Roblox gift card to redeem, tap on this Robux icon in the top of the screen. You'll get the option of redeem Roblox codes. Or you can also tap on this buy gift cards from the left-hand menu. Now here, tap on redeem card in the top of the screen. This will take you to the redeem page where you can go ahead and enter a code in this box and then tap on redeem. Alternatively, if you want to buy Robux, click on the Robux icon in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on buy Robux. You can see the list of the packages that you can select or choose. You'll be taken to the payment section where you can add your credit or debit card, your PayPal, or any other payment method, and then choose to pay to purchase. And after you purchase it, the Robux will be added to your account instantly. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.